If you are pregnant and you have this thought in the back of your mind, like, I don't actually feel ready for birth, then this is for you. A lot of women assume that somewhere along the way in their pregnancy, they're just going to feel ready. That their doctor or midwife will tell them what they need to know, that the hospital birth class will teach them everything, and that when labor starts, it's just all gonna work out and make sense. And then, as their due date gets closer, instead of feeling really ready and confident about labor and giving birth, there's fear. I often hear from moms that it's the fear of the unknown, fear of pain, fear of making the wrong decisions, fear of things just not working out the way they thought they would. And I need you to know that a lot of moms do feel unprepared because they haven't gotten enough support and evidence-based education to improve their birth experiences or outcomes. And unfortunately, standard childbirth classes don't usually cover all the details that will help you have a better birth. Because information alone isn't enough. And are you getting enough helpful information that will make a difference? For example, knowing what might happen isn't the same thing as knowing what to do when it's happening to you. And that is the gap. And that's why so many smart, capable women still walk into birth afraid and unsure because they weren't really set up with the information and the support that they needed and deserved. Because I want you to know that preparation for birth isn't something you absorb just by showing up to prenatal appointments or doing a quick 1 to 2 day childbirth class. It's something that you build. It's something that you practice. And that kind of preparation can be really hard to figure out and do alone. That's why I created my own program, the SOAR Pregnancy and Birth Prep Challenge, so that parents can have an evidence-based modern childbirth course that really helps them practice and prep for a more informed pregnancy and for one of the biggest days of their lives, welcoming their baby into the world. And my program supports all births, medicated, unmedicated, vaginal, cesarean, hospital births, birth centers, and home births. The goal for me isn't to push one kind of labor and birth on people. The goal is for you to be prepared for the birth that you want so that you can make the best choices for yourself and your baby, no matter what comes your way. Inside my program, the SOAR Pregnancy and Birth Prep Challenge, we work on the things that actually change how birth feels by preparing your body, preparing your mind, because birth is so much more mental than people understand. Understanding all of your options and making sure that your partner knows exactly how to show up for you during pregnancy, birth, and postpartum. Since 2011, I have supported hundreds of families through their births and have had 2 unmedicated home births myself. This program is built around what I've seen and know helps women actually feel less afraid and start feeling more capable and ready. So if you are looking for real preparation, real support, and improve your chances for having a better empowered labor and birth, this program is for you. If this feels like what's been missing, join our SOAR program. I'd love to see and support you there.